Hi there everyone, this is Digital Life Changer. In this video, we will show you how to install a screen protector to your phone. So stay tuned to find out how. By the way, if you are new to our channel, please do not forget to like, subscribe and ring the notification bell to get notified for our upcoming videos. In this video, we will be changing the old and damaged screen protector of an iPhone 6s. Make sure you have a new screen protector with you. Note that included in the package are both wet and dry wipers, and a bubble remover application tool. Now, closely follow the instructions at the bottom of the video. For the first step, check the old screen protector. Examine the sides where you can potentially take it out easily. Next, carefully remove the old screen protector. Prepare and confirm the size of the new screen protector. Our next step is to tear out the wrapper of the wet wiper. It is usually labeled as number 1. Then, use it to wipe the screen of the phone. Make sure all dirt is removed. Next, tear out the wrapper of the dry wiper. This time it is labeled as number 2. Then, use it to wipe the screen of the phone. Make sure that the screen is clean and dry. Carefully align and place the new screen protector to your phone. Note that you can always retract in case of misalignment. Our last step is to remove the air bubbles. This can be done by the liquid application tool. Apply the liquid application tool to the nearest edge where the bubble is present. In effect, the liquid will lift the screen protector a little higher. Then, push the bubbles to the direction of the nearest edge. Please be guided that you can use the same steps with an Android phone, or even with laptops and tablets. The method is the same. I just used an iPhone in the main steps since my new Android phone does not have an old screen protector. Again, thank you so much for watching. It is always our goal that you learn something new today. In case the video has helped you, or you like videos like this, please do not forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell in order to get notified on our future videos. See you next time.